Assigning values to variables. An assignment statement implies that the value of the variable on the left of the equal sign is set equal to the value of the quantity or the expression on the right. Values can be assigned to variables using the assignment operator is equal to as follows. Variable name is equal to constant, semicolon. C permits multiple assignments in one line. For example, initial value is equal to 0, semicolon, max is equal to 100, semicolon. During assignment operation, C converts the type of value on the right hand side to the type on the left. It is also possible to assign a value to a variable at the time the variable is declared. This takes the following form, that is, data type variable name is equal to constant, semicolon. Example, int max is equal to 100, semicolon. The process of giving initial values to variables is called initialization. C permits the initialization of more than one variables in one statement using multiple assignment operators. Example, P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to 0, semicolon. X is equal to Y is equal to Z is equal to max, semicolon. Remember that external and static variables are initialized to 0 by default. Automatic variables that are not initialized explicitly will contain garbage, that is garbage value. Defining symbolic constants. We often use certain unique constants in a program. These constants may appear repeatedly in a number of places in the program. One example of such a constant is 3.142, representing the value of the mathematical constant pi. We face two problems in the subsequent use of such programs. Those are, first one, problem in modification of the program, and second one, the problem in understanding the program. First one, modifiability. We may like to change the value of pi from 3.142 to 3.14159 to improve the accuracy of calculation, or the number 50 to 100 to process the test result of another class. In both the cases, we will have to search throughout the program and explicitly change the value of the constant wherever it has been used. If any value is left unchanged, the program may produce disastrous outputs. Second one, understandability. When a numeric value appears in a program, its use is not always clear, especially when the same value means different things in different places. For example, the number 50 may mean the number of students at one place and the pass marks at the another place of the same program. We may forget what a certain number meant when we read the program some days later. Assignment of such constants to a symbolic name frees us from these problems. For example, we may use the name strength to define the number of students and pass mark to define the pass marks required in a subject. Constant values are assigned to these names at the beginning of the program. Subsequent use of the names strength and pass mark in the program has the effect of causing their defined values to be automatically substituted at the appropriate points. A constant is defined as follows. Hash define symbolic name value of constant. Examples: hash define space strength space 100. Hash define space pass mark space 50. Hash define space pi space 3.14159. Symbolic names are sometimes called constant identifiers. Since the symbolic names are constants, that is not variables, they do not appear in declarations.